Here is the new guppy tank. Just an idea I had. Tried to make like a beach. This is all the sand that was already in the tank. I did a huge deep clean on this. Put a little small couple pieces of driftwood in there. The reason that I had to do this was because of the algae. The algae took over and I didn't want to use algicide, so best thing I could do is a major deep clean. We have 6 red mangroves in there. I've created this kind of area over here where it's nice and shallow. Hopefully these roots take off and give these fish a place to feel comfortable and hide. Just trying to go for a more natural look. On this side here, pretty much going to run bare bottom for now. I am still using my hang on the back filter. We do have something planned for that corner right there. It's something that we can make pretty and something a little more aesthetically pleasing. Let me know what you guys think. What's called a mag tool wave maker. It's got multiple different settings. We run it constant, random, which does like constant pulses. You have pulse, and then you have tide. You can change gear settings on it, run higher gears. The entire purpose of me running this here, I'm running a hang on the back filter. There are not filter cartridges in here. I'm just using polyfill. So we have a nice high flow rate right here into the nicer, calmer waters on this side. You have fast-paced moving water into a very nice, slow environment. Try to keep the wave maker down nice and low, that way it's not putting any strain or stress on the fish with the flow, but have to break surface tension. It's the most important part about keeping the levels correct. Gain your surface tension. It's going to keep this from getting haze on the top. Also, it's going to help with the gas transfer. So as the nitrogen cycle goes around, we want nice surface break. That way the gas can expel out of the fish tank, the actual water column itself. So we'll see how this guy works and hopefully get some great results. Tank is looking very lonely right now, so probably add some more fish. If you guys have any suggestions, guppies in Mali right now, please let me know. Drop a comment if you have any suggestions for tank mates for this guy.